What the heck is going on, guys? In this video we are going to unbox this packaging that we received. This is the protecting glass for Google Pixel XL and the case, which is a silicone transparent case. So we're just going to open this and take a look at it. And this is packaged nicely. So the first thing we see here is the protector. If you want to buy one of these, you can buy from the eBay. I'll put the link in the description of the video so you can go ahead and buy. So this thing we got here is the protective glass for Google Pixel 4 XL, which is the black version, as you can see here. Now this phone I got just a few days ago, and this is updating. And this, as you can see, the black version of Google Pixel 4 XL. And here, as you probably see, this has this crack. Unfortunately, the other day I accidentally dropped this phone, so I ended up having this cracked. So, but hopefully this protective screen will hide it just a little bit, so that at the normal glance you can see it. So you can see that this perfectly fits on this screen. So this is it. And the other thing we got here is the case. So let me just quickly take a look at that case as well. So let me just take it out and let me check this thing. Now we'll apply this protective glass later, but first let me test this case. Alright, pretty good. So my advice is, if you have one side cracked of your phone, try putting the case by first adjusting the cracked side, and then you're good to go. So, and as you can see, this looks and feels perfect. And by the way, I just turned on the dark theme. That's why you can see the edges of the screen. So as you can see, this is pretty good. And usually I like the transparent cases when you buy, because it feels like nice when you see the phone through the case, especially if you have a flagman phone. And in a budget phone, this would be the other case. So, and if we put the glass as well, I'm sure that we will hide just the part of the cracked side. So this was it, the unboxing of the case and the protective screen for Google Pixel 4 XL. If you like this video, or even if you didn't like this video, just put the like and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching, guys. By the way, if you have any questions, just leave in the comment section below. So see you again.